kitchen. My name is Lynn, and today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite recipes that I made up years ago called the Pear Cream Topping. And it's a very nice, creamy, sweet topping, similar to what you would use a whipped cream or an ice cream or something that's cold and makes things really good and very creamy. And it's very simple. It's only 3 ingredients plus water. First of all, it's on page 216 of my book, Plant-Based Recipes and Meal Options. It's the very last one in the spreads, sauces, and toppings chapter. So the first thing you want to do is take a half a cup of raw cashews and soak them in a 1/4 cup of water. So I'm going to add those to the Vitamix. And then I use a can of 14.5 ounce can of pears that are in pear juice from concentrate. So it does not have sugar in it like most of the canned pears. So I'm going to add those. Don't drain it, use the whole can. And then I have 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. You could use less if you wanted to, or you could use none at all if you don't want to add that much sweetness. Then I'm going to just blend it for maybe a minute. I'll do it a little shorter so you don't have to listen to it, but it just, if the cashew pieces have been soaked in the water, they get soft, and it doesn't take long at all for it to get very smooth. I put it in a container and chill it, and it will thicken, and it's pretty thick now, but as you have it in the fridge, it will thicken a lot more. So I made this earlier today, and one of the simplest things that I like to put it on is just simple fresh fruit. So these are fresh peaches and some raspberries and bananas, and it really creates a fabulous combination of the wet, sweet sauce with the fruit. In my book, I have many dessert recipes that it would go very well on, like the apple crisp or the berry crisp, any kind of recipe that you would put a whipped cream on or an ice cream to make it sweet and have that moisture and that really good flavor. So hope you can try it. It's very simple, and I always have these. I got these at Fred Meyer's. Winco used to have some, but they don't carry them anymore, so they're just pear halves. But make sure you see that it's in concentrate and it's not the ones in the heavy syrup. So hope you enjoyed this. See you next time. Happy cooking.